Good morning and assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the contest that I'm participating in. This is the last and final day of the contest, so I'm showing you guys what's the contest about. The contest is about natural art, so I'm making art out of leaves. So this is me collecting some leaves from my garden. So the first thing that I'm making is a parrot, and right now I'm drawing the legs, and this is how the parrot looks like right now. This is the final look of my parrot. I hope you guys like it. And this is the final look of my rabbit. I hope you guys like this as well. Guys, I just won the competition, and this is the reward that we got, some cookies. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time in another amazing video. Bye bye.